Ever heard of dropshipping and thought, that sounds great, but where do I even begin? The world of e-commerce is filled with apps and platforms promising to make your life easier, but let's be honest, many just add to the confusion. You've got to find products, vet suppliers, worry about shipping times, and somehow stand out from the crowd. It can feel like you need a whole team of people just to get started. What if there was a way to bypass a lot of that initial hassle and jump straight to the fun part, building your brand and making sales? That's where Spocket comes in. In a nutshell, Spocket is a dropshipping app designed to connect online retailers with a wide network of suppliers, but it has a few key features that really set it apart. Think of it as your secret weapon for dropshipping success. It's built to simplify the process of finding and selling products so you can focus on growing your business. One of the biggest problems in dropshipping is long shipping times. Many platforms rely on suppliers from overseas, which means your customers can be waiting weeks, or even a month, for their order. Spocket tackles this head-on. The platform focuses heavily on dropshipping suppliers primarily located in the US and Europe. This means faster shipping times, often just a few days, which leads to happier customers and repeat business. It's a massive competitive advantage that instantly elevates your store from an average dropshipping business to a professional-looking brand. Beyond faster shipping, Spocket also prides itself on the quality of its products. They carefully vet all their suppliers, so you can be confident you're offering your customers high-quality items. And to make you even more comfortable, you have the option to order product samples. This allows you to check the quality for yourself, take your own photos, and write more authentic product descriptions before you ever list the item in your store. It's a small but powerful feature that helps build trust with your customers. The app also makes it incredibly easy to manage your store. Spocket integrates seamlessly with a variety of e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, and BigCommerce. Once you've connected your store, you can browse through a massive catalog of products and add them to your store with just a single click. When a customer places an order, Spocket handles the rest. Orders are automatically processed and sent to the supplier, who then handles all the packing and shipping. This automation saves you a ton of time and eliminates the risk of human error. Another standout feature is branded invoicing. With Spocket, you can include your store's logo and a personal note on the invoice that ships with the product. It's a simple touch that helps create a more professional and memorable brand experience for your customers. You're not just a faceless store, you're a real business, and this feature helps solidify that perception. In a competitive market, Spocket offers a genuine advantage. It's a tool for serious dropshippers who want to build a reputable brand with happy, returning customers. It's not just about finding products, it's about building a better business. By providing vetted suppliers, fast shipping, and tools for branding and automation, Spocket helps you overcome the biggest hurdles in dropshipping and focus on what truly matters, making sales and creating a thriving online store. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.